Welcome to Premium Pack. For only 5,800, you'll get 17 boxes of Queen's products. So just choose your brand, whether Guyabano Plus, Slim and Healthy Coffee, chocolate drinks, Queen's Healthy Juice, or Agaricus 9-in-1 Coffee. Of course, you are about to be encoded in the system. Ang mechanics natin dito, you just have to buy 1 box monthly. And then of course, you're about to sponsor 5 person within 2 months. At meron tayong tinatawag ditong DRC or Direct Referral Commission, 1,000 pesos for every direct sponsorship. Now, meron tayo ditong 5 boards. Every board composed of 15 slots. Dito sa first board natin, so sa'yo yan or ikaw yan. Ang mapapalagay dito ng mga tao, we could invite new and fresh people to get in sa ganitong system natin. Another thing, those people na mga nanggaling sa starter or yung starter pack program natin, automatically, they will get in here. Kaya, in this scenario, they are the ones na makakasama sa personal board mo. Kaya, maybe it could happen less than a week or 2 weeks or even less than a month. Pag ganyan ang scenario, these 15 slots has been completed, you are now ready to go board 2. Pero before going board 2, claim ka muna 15,000 pesos. Now, eto na ngayon. The same thing just like starter or ating dual pack. Sa premium pack, the same thing on board 2, board 3, board 4, board 5. Hindi na natin tatrabahuhin yan. Hindi na tayo ang maglalagay dyan. Kasi nga, yung company system, yun yung auto spill over. So, sa'yo yan, ikaw yan, on board 2. Ang mapapalagay sa'yo sa ilalim mo, hindi mo nakakilala. Pag ganyan ang scenario, everything has been filled up. You are ready to go board 3. Pero before going board 3, you are about to claim how much? 50,000 pesos. Wow, this is much. At kumusta si sponsor? Meron lang naman siyang bonus of 10,000 pesos. Wow, sarap maging sponsor. O ngayon, going to board 3 ka na. Eto ka na ngayon. So, in this scenario, if everything has been filled up, you are ready to go board 4. Pero before going board 4, you are about to claim 100,000 pesos. At kumusta naman ang sponsor? Siyempre, may bonus naman siya matatanggap, 20,000 pesos. So, eto ka na ngayon sa board 4. So, sa'yo yan. Ang mga taong malalagay sa'yo, take note, hindi mo nakilala, hindi mo na alam kung sino sila. If everything has been filled up, dahil yan ay company of spillover, you are ready to go board 5 if in this scenario, everything has been filled up. So, before going board 5, claim ka muna 500,000 pesos. This is 500,000. And then, kumusta si sponsor? Wow, it's 50,000 pesos. Masarap maging sponsor. Kahit patulog-tulog ka lang, pero talagang it is automatic. If ikaw ang nakapag-sponsor, he'll get his 500,000. You as a sponsor will have 50,000 pesos. Now, the 5th and final board. Ikaw to, sa'yo yan. If everything has been filled up, complete na siya, congratulations! You are about to claim 1 million pesos plus trip to US. Yang trip to US natin na yan, hindi po yan promo. It is given. Automatic kakambal yan. You got your 1 million and you have your trip to US. That is with visa assistance. And it's a choice. Kung ayaw mong mag-trip to US, convertible to cash po yun. And kumusta naman ang sponsor dito? The sponsor will receive a bonus of 200,000 pesos. So, napaka-exciting, napakaganda ng ating system dito sa Premium Pack. And I'm telling you, lahat po nagsimula sa starter. At automatic, lahat nagkakaroon tayo ng dual pack system, ng Premium Pack system, free ang lahat. At dito gagawin lang natin, take note again, yung ating requirements na mag-maintain only 1 box. Gasino na lang ang 1 box for only 350 kasi po may kinauuwian yun. Meron pa kasi tayo ditong another exciting income. Ito yung tinatawag nating residual income. Itong nasa taas, ikaw yan. At itong 10th level structure, we also use yung unilevel system natin na kung saan from 10th level, nandyan meron tayong multiplier. Of course, ikaw yan, meron kang first 5, At yung mga tao na yon, mga nasa ilalim nila is just a power of 5 duplication. So dito, meron tayong multiplier every time na bumibili sila or nagpapatronize sila. Sa first level mo, 5 yon. So, meron kang residual income na 50 pesos. Bigay na CGS. Kaya 5 times 50 equals 250 mo. Si John, nagkakaroon din niya ng 5. Maaaring hindi lang sa 5 kasi nga, yun namang 5, minimum lang yon. So, si Peter magkaroon ng 5. Si Tom, si Hannah, si Ryan. Second level mo na sila. Hindi na natin iintindihin kung sino, ilan, at yung mga tao mapapalagay sa third level up to the 10th level. Pero lahat ng mga yan, nagpapatronize sila kasi bakit? Alam nila na kapag hindi sila nagpatronize or nagmaintain, mawawala sila sa system. Kaya automatic, ito pong residual income na to, nangyayari na kukuha natin ng income na yan for sure monthly. And this is much more exciting dahil hindi ito yung claim natin every board. In fact, this is monthly. Nag-umpisa sa hundreds, sa thousands, and then nandyan yung hundreds of thousands, millions, 100 millions. So this is very exciting. At ito po ang system ng ating premium pack. So I suggest and I really encouraging everyone na mag-join na kayo sa starter pack pa lang natin, or even you could get in as early as you could dito sa ating premium pack. That's all. At samantalahin natin ang napakagandang sistema na ibinigay sa ating platform ng Certus Global Solutions. That's all, and thank you very much.